Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the drawing, how to draw to your notes on the Notes Writer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select the document that you have created and then click on these drawing icons at the top. So here is this pencil option. You can select the color of your tool. You can select the blend mode. Opacity and thickness can be adjusted. Then the color presets are also available down below. And now you can start drawing. As you can see, next to the pencil button there is the eraser. If you tap on it, you can select its size. And the third tool is the highlighter. You can also customize it in terms of its color, the blend mode, opacity can be adjusted, and the thickness as well. And here you can find various color presets that you can choose from. So if you go back, you can see that you can highlight several parts of your text if you feel like to do so, and you can get rid of it by tapping on the eraser button. So that's how you can draw into your documents, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.